So 1340. I'm sorry if you're reading this, okay? I'm sorry if you're watching this. I'm not gonna voice vanilla or anything. But I love the comic called Octillery. Doesn't sound like that, but I'll show you what he sounds like. But this is what he sounds like, okay?
Well, how about a better move like Ice Beam?
Have a taste of my Octazooka!
This is not what he sounds like. It sounds like this. Have to change to my Octazooka. He just sounds like Octillery, okay? Octillery doesn't really sound like that. And Swinub doesn't sound like that too. Why not sound like this? Hey, look! There's no food to eat. And one more thing. You voiced Octillery and Swinub wrong. This is not how you voice them. And Delibird too. And that's my mom does not sound like that, okay? Okay, 13, you need to change this. I'll be promised to voice Yamask and I'll be promising to voice Yamask and some and Lampent, okay? I'll show you what Lampent and Yamask sound like. But if you do not accept me, I will dislike this video. Lampent sounds like this. Okay, I'm not nervous. Okay, I'm just trying to think what's... wait, worst thing for studio. Oh my gosh, just jump up right there. Yeah, baby, I'm gonna put you. Wait, I haven't even seen what jump up sounds like already.
What? Why did you water me? I'm not actually a tree, you know.
I'll get lost in my music when the rain comes.
Well, looks like I'm blowing away in the wind again. It sure is fun to float in the sky, isn't it? Someone is following us. We gotta get out of here quickly. Hey!
Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna voice Lampent first. Lampent sounds like this. We gotta get out of here quick before we get caught. Quick, we gotta flee. Yamask will sound like this. Yeah. 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 This is so bad. Like, hey, let's run away. Alright. But if you do not accept me, but I'm gonna say what Octillery sounds like. So, you haven't matched your voice like Octillery does. Octillery is supposed to sound like this. This is what Octillery sounds like in here. Oh, wait. I gotta voice Swinub. Redo it again. Hey! I see some food. Let's run over there. This is what, and I'll show you where. Okay, oh my gosh. What are you gonna do to me? Are you gonna eat me because I'm calamari? Oh my god. Yeah. Oh. I'm here with my lid wig. And this is what Chandelure sounds like. I'm coming out. And you did vanilla, so I hope you liked it. But if you did not like this one, instant dislike.